5 Best Mechanical Keyboards. Number 5. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. Built to withstand a lifetime of gaming. Lightweight and rugged durability. Aircraft-grade anodized brushed aluminum frame. 8 MB profile storage with hardware macro. Item weight, 2.92 pounds. 100% Cherry MX Brown RGB mechanical key switches. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. JAWS Keyboard 4 Ultimate. High performance. German engineered. Mechanical Cherry MX Blue key switches. Oversized volume knob, which can also double as a ruler. Video file transfers between USB devices. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. HyperX Alloy Elite. 6 dynamic lighting effects. Signature integrated 18 LED light bar. Solid steel frame provides durability. Cherry MX mechanical keys. Dedicated media buttons. Large volume wheel put control at your fingertips. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Razer Sindo Zachroma. Spill-resistant design. Withstands accidental spills. 16.8 million customizable color options. 10 key anti-ghosting. Item weight, 2.09 pounds. Execute up to 10 commands at the same time. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Logitech G910 G413 Carbon. Keys are always visible and never distracting. Responsiveness and durability, especially during late-night gaming sessions. The result is a minimal design balanced, featuring roamerge switches. G413 provides unparalleled speed. Please check the description for detail and price.